So good morning students, this is 11th standard 4th poem The Mystery Cat by T.S. Eliot. Okay, The Mystery Cat, T.S. Eliot. So you might have seen from the past videos, nearly we have completed the poem. This is the last session of the poem. Okay. So, as we know about Macavity, Macavity is a master criminal cat. Okay, it's a criminal cat which does crime and it will be the reason for everything, but you cannot find any witness or proof relating to the cat. Okay, so that is what there may be. Last stanza, last three stanzas. Okay, there may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is miles away. So there may be a scrap of paper. So police or any cops, when they come to investigate, or some CBI comes to investigate, they'll be trying to collect some evidence or proof. Okay, so that we can catch the criminal. But regarding Macavity the cat, there will be some bits of papers, but it is useless. The poet is telling it is useless and worthless because you cannot catch the Macavity, the master criminal cat. Okay, there may be a scrap of paper. Scrap of paper means what? Bits of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. It is useless, it is worthless. Okay, your search will be in vain. Okay, Macavity is not there. When the loss has been disclosed, okay, when the loss, because he will come and he will rob something and there will be some great loss. When the loss has been disclosed, okay, disclosed means what? Open to everybody that something has been lost. Okay, when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service, the police Secret Service, they will say it must have been Macavity, but he is a miles away. So everybody knows that Macavity will be the reason for the theft or the burglary or the crime that has been committed. Okay, everybody knows, but there will be no proof. There would be no scrap bits of anything. You cannot find. There won't be any proper proof or witness to catch Macavity, the master criminal cat. You will be, next stanza, you will be sure to find him resting or licking off his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such a deceitfulness and suavity. You will be sure to find him resting or licking of his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. So here we are seeing Macavity who does lots and lots of work, okay, hard work for his crime. Okay, you will be sure to find him resting. You can find him somewhere resting, taking rest, or licking of his thumbs. So you know the habit of a cat, no? It will be licking his thumbs. Okay, it will be licking, tasting. Okay, it will be tasting its thumbs by licking it. Okay, or engaged in doing some complicated. You can see that you can imagine that the cat doing some complicated divisions of sums. Okay, to do the next crime, to commit the next crime. Okay, so or engaged in doing complicated, where we cannot understand. Complicated means what? Which is so confused. Okay, complicated long division sums. Okay, so the plan, the execution, the how to rob in certain place. So every plan will be perfect because once again he is the master criminal of a crime, or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. Okay, this sums and all is to calculate or timing or to do the theft, to do a crime, to commit a crime. Okay, Macavity, once again that rhyming words given by the poet, Macavity, Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. And this line, you see, there never was a cat. So I think the cat, we can say the criminal cat is the Machiavelli cat. Nobody can equal him, nobody can surpass him, nobody can overtake him because he is the first and best criminal. Okay, there never was a cat of such deceitfulness. Deceitfulness means what? Cunningness. In your book back it is given cunningness. Deceit means what? One who cheats, deceives you. Okay, deceives. Deceit we say. Okay, deceitfulness means one who cheats, one is so cunning. Okay, we say cunning for the word fox, cunning fox. Okay, so he is such a cunning cat. And suavity. Suavity means what? Since he is a great uh, a criminal, he is living a sophisticated, in Tamil we say no sogusu, so that is what sophisticated criminal. Okay, sophisticated cat. Suavity, look back, it is given in the book. Confidence, who's so confident, who's very confident in committing his crime. Okay, nobody can catch him, nobody can bring a proof, or nobody can bring an evidence, or nobody can point him that he is the reason, but he is the reason for committing a crime, but nobody can bring a testimony. Testimony means what? Proof or witness against him. So such a kind of talented cat is this Machiavelli cat. Okay, last stanza. He always has an alibi. Alibi means what? See that. The meaning I have given here. A witness or proof. To prove that you were somewhere when a crime is being committed. Okay, a crime will be done. It will be done by Machiavelli, but Machiavelli will come out with a witness that he was not there at the time of the crime. Okay, that is what called alibi. Okay, a kind of like replacement, a kind of like a magical thing, that telling the police that I was not at the time when the crime was committed, but definitely everybody is so sure that Machiavelli the cat has committed the crime, but you cannot arrest him because because nobody can bring a proof or witness towards the Machiavelli cat. So he always has an alibi. Okay, alibi means what? A proof or witness to prove that you were somewhere when the crime was committed. That is what. So he always has an alibi and one or two to spare. And whatever time the deed took place, whatever time, deed means what? Work. Deed means action or work. Okay, action of theft. Whatever time the deed took place, Machiavelli wasn't there. Okay, and they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. Okay, some other cats are there. Here you can see that the poet is giving some other cats names. Okay, some wicked means what? Cruel deeds, bad deeds. Deeds means what? Action. Okay, action of crime. Okay, some small like pickpocket, small crime, but you can see Machiavelli criminal will do bigger crimes, great crimes. Okay, so and they say that all that cats whose wicked deeds are widely known. I might mention, the poet is giving some cat's name, other criminals name, but Mungo Jerry. I might mention the Griddlebone. Okay, Mungo Jerry, Griddlebone, or fictional characters of cats in other work by T.S. Eliot. Okay, or nothing. What he is telling, those cats are nothing when compared to this cat, or nothing more than the agents for the cat. These two cats are acting like agents. Okay, Mungo Jerry and Griddlebone are nothing more than the agents for the cat, who all the time just control their operations. Okay, the Napoleon of crime. Okay, so we can see that the poet is giving a name. He is compared to the Napoleon of the crime. Who? Machiavelli. So Napoleon means, you know, that he is a French ruler who was a great person known for planning and executing in war. Okay, how to attack the opponent. So he was a Napoleon of crime. What a wonderful line, the last line given by the poet to Machiavelli, comparing him the Napoleon of crime. Okay, so that is what the end of the poem. Once again, so I'll just give you a recap that Machiavelli has the power of what? Levitation. Levitation means what? Floating in the air. Okay, fakir. Fakir means what? In Tamil I said sittar. So those magical things and all is compared to McCavity. He is a great cat. He is a master criminal cat. You cannot catch him. Okay, he is so elusive. He is so agile, very quick in thinking, very fast in reacting. Okay, he is always having an alibi. Alibi means a proof or witness where a person where McCavity was not there at the place of crime, but actually the crime is committed by this McCavity cat. So he is always having an alibi. And if we can talk about the poet is telling, we can talk about other cats also like Mungo Jerry or Griddlebone. But these two cats are meant for only a small silly crimes, but the whole operation, the control of the crime is totally done by the McCavity, who's compared to the Napoleon of crime. That's the end of the poem, McCavity the Mystery Cat. We'll see in the next video.